Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at FM leads in serum. Let's go. So when I start with my FM, always one oscillator, sub oscillator, turn the volume down. And the source FM sub -2. So we should be having. So that's the basic frequency modulation of the sine wave. So filters, the classic filters are the band pass that you normally hear most of the time. As well as the so let's just go back to the band pass 24 and create a little patch. Boop. Throw it on the cutoff. Oh, this is the pattern that I'm using if you want to see. On the 16th. Okay, so let's just jump back into serum. So yeah, explore different waveforms. I like the spectral scout. It's like very piercing. Okay, distortions. Play around, find a distortion you enjoy. I like the sound fold. Let me just turn the mix down quickly. So we'll have distortion, we'll have some OTT, multiband. Throw tiny plate reverb. Okay. Here you could throw an additional filter. Let's say we can use let's use the format. Okay. Just as a character. Let's throw a macro on it. And let's put this down as well. So this will only use for the format filter. Delay, linked, dotted, ping pong. Yeah, just try and hear that with everything going, see how it sounds. So yeah, that's the basic FM patch that I like to use. And then what you can do is also, if you want to make like different textures, more stabby, plucky FM. So what you can do is you can throw another macro onto your decay. Not too much. It's a bit more. And then you can modulate this as well. Maybe throw a bit on the sustain as well. So you can modulate the size of your byte. And then we got the formant on here. Then, well, let's maybe put the cutoff as well. So then this will be for the cutoff, for the size, and formant. Yeah. So you're gonna have fun with that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.